Hi, I'm Stefan from Runners Bikes, and congratulations, you bought yourself a beautiful wooden princess bike, and I'm gonna show you quickly how to set it up. Okay? Alright, so hopefully it's gonna be a few minutes and we're done. So you have your bike body. Okay? Yeah, it comes in two parts. I suggest to attach the bike body to the front fork. So all you have to do is push this part in. Okay. Then you need this pin. Make sure that the sharp front piece goes in first. So you have to wiggle a little bit in order for you to get this pin into the opening. Perfect. Okay, so the pin has to completely vanish in here. See that? Now it sits nice and tight. There's also a steering stop in order to create more security, so the front wheel cannot turn more than 45 degrees. Alright, so now we have to unscrew these top screws. Okay, number one. Number two. Perfect. You take the handlebar, cool little bell, take the two screws to attach the handlebar. Okay. The whole setup comes with two Allen keys. Okay. Perfect. All right. So the princess bike, your princess bike, comes with a cute little pink bag. So we attach the bag this way to the bike body, and of course to the handlebar. All pretty easy. Okay, so the next step will be attaching the two wheels to the front and back axle. So you take your Allen key to unscrew. Okie dokie, so you put this out, you need the front fork, and then you make sure there are two little washers. So to make it easy, you just leave one in, yeah? Then you take the front axle, you take the wheel, yeah? And you make sure you wiggle and then you take the other washer. That's the easiest way. So you make sure the washer sits top of the wheel. Perfect. Yeah, it's important. Take your time. It's a little bit wiggly, but you can do it. Perfect. Take your two Allen keys and tighten the screw. all the way. Here we go, that's the front fork. And now we do the same with the back axle. Yeah, so open this. Dokie. Yeah, these are a couple of washers we need. So take the wheel, take the washer, okay, so the metal washer comes inside and the plastic washer outside. Okay, we do the same on the other side. Yeah, so you take the metal washer and you take the plastic washer, put the screw all the way, the axle all the way through, you take the screw, the other side, and then you just have to attach it. It's easier this way. Again, fully tighten the screw. Perfect. Okay, here we go. Ready is your setup for your princess bike. Yeah, you can put some toys in here. Comes with a little cool belt. Yeah, all fine and ready to roll. Okay, so if you have any questions, always feel free to email us info@runners-bike.com and enjoy your princess bike. Thank you.